Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you are an existing customer, you can save when you download the Grubhub app. You will receive special perks including delivery deals, free food, and restaurant rewards that give you discounts when you place multiple orders. You can also receive special offers by joining their email list.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Grubhub free lunch or snacks, unlimited snacks. Meh, not bad. Fee snacks available, but weekend people miss out as they do not restock on weekends. Sometimes you get the food if the customer is a no-show and you made an authentic effort to deliver the food.
Take our lead.
Why it pays to tip. Something you might not know about Grubhub is that drivers can actually see just how much you're tipping before they accept your delivery request. If you're only tipping something like 10 or 40 cents, there are drivers that will open that order, see it, and reject it, Curtis says.
Take our lead.
Grubhub doesn't offer coupon codes for new customers. However, Grubhub does sometimes run a promotion whereby customers placing their first order can place their orders without having to pay any fees.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.